Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are...
Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a Copycat Shoneys strawberry pie. And I hope everyone is having a great day today. And so let me do my first step, which is pricking my pie shell. And you can also make your own pie crust if you like to, but I'm making mine fast and easy. Okay, so now then I'm going to put this parchment paper down, and I'm going to put some rice on it to keep my pie from rising in the middle. And I'm going to cook this at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, right here I have a little over 3 cups of strawberries. I used my slicer for cutting them. And then right here I have 3 tablespoons of Jello and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and 1 1/4 cups of water. And when my pie comes out of the oven, my pie shell comes out of the oven and I let it cool, then I'll start using my other ingredients. Okay, I'm back now and my pie shell has been cooling, so now I'm going to make the filling for it. So I'm going to go over here and put my sugar in my pan, my cornstarch, and my water. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. And when it thickens, I'll add in my strawberry Jello. It'll probably take a few minutes for this to thicken up, but I'll be back. Okay, it's starting to thicken up now, so I'm going to add in my strawberry Jello. That strawberry Jello smells great. Okay, my filling is ready now, so I'm going to put it over here for a few minutes and let it just slightly cool. And I'm going to put my strawberries in my pie shell. I love Shoneys pies. So when I got a Copycat recipe of Shoneys pies, I was real pleased about that. All right, I got my strawberries in, and as soon as this cools a little bit, I'll pour my filling on top. Okay, my filling has been cooling for about 5 minutes, so now then I'm going to pour my filling over my pie. Okay, I have my filling over my pie now, and so the secret to this pie is let it stay in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours and longer if you can wait. So I think we're going to let ours stay in there until tomorrow, and then I'll come back and do the taste test.
Okay, go ahead, whenever you're ready.
Oh yeah, this is a lot thicker. Hi everyone, I'm back and it's the next day, and so I wanted to fill everyone in on my strawberry pie. This is the failed one where the strawberry Jello mixture did not congeal right, and this one is the one that worked right after I redid it. And so what happened was this one right here was made with 1 1/4 cups of water, and also it was made with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of Jello. Well, this one did not come out right, and I followed the directions perfectly. So then I tried my way, and it came out just fine. And what I did differently was I put just 1 cup of water in it, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in it, and I also put in 3 tablespoons of the Jello mixture, and it came out just perfect. So I'm going to cut it now and do the taste test. So these pies are a little tricky to make, but if you get the right ingredients, then you can make it and it can come out just like this one. And a lot of people that made this pie, they also said that they had trouble with those directions. Their pie gel came out runny like this one. So with a little bit of tweaking, this came out great. So that's how it looks. So I'm going to just put a little bit of Cool Whip on it. And do the taste test. Get a piece of that strawberry. Very good. This tastes just like Shoneys pie. And if you make it and you follow my directions, it'll turn out right. So I'm going to close this video out now. This pie is delicious. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Mama.
Is that good? What do you think? Is that yummy? You want to try this?
No.
No? You like the strawberries? You sure you don't want that? Is it yummy? Mommy wants a bite. Can Mommy have a bite? She's wondering why I'm not letting her feed herself. I don't want you to get your shirt dirty, okay?
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're all built and right. We just have to hold on through the night, as long as we are watching